Let's see if this thing still works. Now, I quit using this because it makes a loud popping noise every time it scans. I don't know if that's normal or not. The squelch. Is there a signal right here? Let's do a lockout. Now, manual. Well, I don't want that. I want 1, 5, 4. Let me see if the 7 works. It does not. So sometimes it works, and other times it does not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw this thing in the trash probably. I already donate it back to Goodwill. Or I'll bring it to the Ham Fest, and it'll be a freebie for somebody. I'm not interested in repairing the ribbon cable on it again. It's not what I consider to be a good scanner. When it scans, it pops. Let me see here if we can maybe... Hey, you never know. Sometimes you hit things and they work. I don't think it's the actual keypad, but these don't have a positive feel to them, which really sucks. But you can get any other key to work. Is there like a clear button? No 7, 8. Error. Okay, 0, 9. So the only thing that doesn't work is the 7. And it's probably just a matter of repairing the ribbon cable properly. I put tinfoil on it with tape. I couldn't think of any other way to do it. It's like a painted on metal ribbon cable. So, you would not be able to scan with the 7 ever. Let's see. And it says it's an automatic scanning, but it's only automatic scanning whatever you put in there. It does seem to have some like kind of default values. If we turn it back on. There's a search button. And I'm not really sure. Let's see. I'm not really sure if it just searches. So, and I don't know what the 10 and 16 is, but you can change the speed. That's cool. Manual. Turn it off, back on. Now, how does the search key work, or is that just dead? Doesn't work, maybe? It must do something, because it gives me an error. Okay. I don't know what you would do to get it to search. And so it doesn't look like the hold button maybe works. Limit. Priority. These don't seem to do anything while it's scanning. Search doesn't do anything. Delay. Speed works. Auxiliary doesn't do anything. 10. Scan. And manual. So I have no idea what the hell to do with this thing. When you hit search, you get an error. If I could get the 7 key to work, it would be kind of cool. But it was only kind of like I just bought it on impulse because it was $6. But it's not really worth using, I don't think, in this day and age.